Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and simple way. Friends, today I am going to share with a story, and this story is very different. And this story is the boy, the tree, and the quiet river. So, without any further delay, let's start the story. There was once a small village near a quiet river. The water moved slowly, and the air always smelled fresh and clean. In this village lived a young boy named Arav. Arav was not rich. His house was small, means his house was very small, made of clay and wood. But his heart was kind, and his smile was bright. Every morning he woke up early to help his mother fetch water and clean the house. After that, he went to the school and then played near the river in the evening. Near the river stood a big of trees. Near the river stood a big of trees. It was the tallest tree in this village. Its branches were wide and its leaves gave cool shade. Arav loved this tree. Arav loved this tree very much. He sat under it every day. Sometimes he talked to the tree. Hello, hello, old friend, he would say. The tree, of course, did not speak, but Arav felt peaceful. One day, Arav noticed something very strange. The river was becoming dirty. The river was becoming so dirty, plastic, waste, and garbage were floating in the water. The fish were fewer. The fish were very less. The water did not look clear anymore. Arav felt sad. The river gives us life, he whispered. He whispered, why are we hurting it? Why are we hurting it? He went home and told his mother. Then he told his teacher. Then he told his all friends. At first, people laughed. He just child. He is just a child, they said. What can one boy change? What can one boy change? But Arav did not stop. Every evening he started picking trash near the river. At first he was alone. Then one friend joined him, then another, then another. Soon 5 friends were cleaning the water. Villagers began to notice. Look, look, someone said. The children are cleaning the water. Slowly, adults joined too. Some brought bags, some brought baskets, and some brought tools. The village worked together. Days passed, days passed, weeks passed, and months passed. The river became slowly clean again. Fish returned back. Birds came back. The water became clear. One evening, Arav sat under the old tree again. The river flowed quietly. The sky was orange and pink. The wind felt soft. His teacher came and sat behind him. His teacher came and sat behind him. You changed this place. Really, you changed this place. She said gently. Arav smiled. Arav smiled. I didn't. I didn't. He replied. He said. The teacher smiled too. The teacher smiled too. From that day, the old tree became a symbol in the village. People called it the tree of change. The tree of change. Children played near it. Elders rested under it. Travels stopped there. And the river kept flowing. The river kept flowing, clean, calm, and alive. All because one small boy believed that even small action, even small means even small actions matter. So this was the story, and I hope this story is very interesting. You enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked this story, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.